How to log in LinkedIn for students. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can log in for your student account in LinkedIn. In order to log in, first thing first, make sure that you have already registered. Only then you'll be able to log in. So to begin with, you can either use your application or your web browser. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. So on the web address bar, type in www.linkedin.com and it's going to direct you to the official web page of LinkedIn. So as you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. So right on top you have this option as sign in and join now. If you don't have an account and want to register, click on the join now button and register yourself for LinkedIn. And similarly, if you want to log in, click on the sign in button and then you'll be directed to the sign in field where you'll need to select the method of logging in. So this highly depends on the way that you've created your account. In case if you've created your account with your Google account or with an Apple ID or sign in with one-time link or whatever or your email address, then you'll need to go through that particular process. In my case, I've used my email or phone number and then a password to sign in. So click on the sign in button. You'll also be asked to provide in the verification code that will be sent through the registered email address. Now type in the code as soon as you're done receiving it. After that, click on the submit button and then you'll be logged into your account. However, if you're unable to log in into your account, then you can update your information just by tapping on the forgot password option, and then after updating your information, you'll to log in into your account. So in this way, you can log in for your LinkedIn student account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.